Hey naturals, welcome to the channel. Dima is my name as always, and on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY content to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. On this channel, we believe that everything that grows out from the soil is a potential hair care product. They are 100% natural, free from harsh chemicals, and are great to use on natural hair. You can never go wrong with natural products. Please, before you continue watching, kindly subscribe by tapping on the red button on your interface. Also tap on the bell icon to always notify you on our future uploads. And please share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a super potent herbal hair spray to grow hair on bald spots, thicken hair, stop shedding. I bet you have never seen this kind of hair growth oil. Please keep watching. To begin, grab a jar free of moisture, and moisture I mean water. Please do not allow water to cleave on your jar. So my very first ingredient is olive oil. Anything that is called liquid gold better be good, right? Well, that's exactly what olive oil is called, and it has a ton of benefits. While many people already use it for their skin and overall health, it's a lesser known fact that olive oil is fantastic for your hair too. Let's take a look at the benefits of olive oil for your hair growth. It kicks dandruff out. It softens your hair, it helps your hair grow stronger, it makes your hair grow longer, it reduces the irritability in your scalp. If your scalp is prone to itchiness, olive oil is what you need to reduce it. Moving on, my second ingredient is cloves. I'm making use of cloves buds for this. Cloves have got loads of benefits for your hair growth. On this channel, I've shared a lot of recipes on cloves, and a lot of you have got loads of feedbacks from using these cloves. Cloves promotes hair growth because they contain eugenol, which promotes hair growth when applied to the hair, adds shine to your hair. Cloves is a natural conditioner and helps lock in moisture in your hair. They treat dandruff, they prevent premature graying of hair, they curbs hair loss, cleans and soothes the scalp. For the proportion, I measured out a tablespoon of cloves buds into my beaker. Now, moving on to my next ingredient, I've got flaxseed powder. Please, if you don't have flaxseed powder, go ahead and use the flax seeds itself. So I'm making use of the powder because I came across it in the store where I buy my ingredients from. Flaxseed contains vitamin E, which diminishes the influence of free radicals on your scalp and improves hair growth and strong hair follicles. They help soothe the scalp as the omega-3 fatty acids help reduce scalp inflammation. That is me right there trying to show you what flaxseed looks like, just in case you have forgotten. So for this video, we are not going to be making use of these seeds. We are basically going to be making use of the powder. These seeds were grounded into powder, hence the reason why I've got the powder, and the powder is better for those hair growth oil because they are ground and we are able to extract the benefits when they are in powdered form. So you can as well grind the seeds if you can and convert that to powder. For the proportion, I made use of 1 teaspoon. Moving on to my next ingredient, I'm making use of hibiscus powder. This is my hibiscus powder, and as you know, on this channel we don't joke with hibiscus. Hibiscus have got a lot of benefits which I'm not going to be running you through right now. So for the proportion, I made use of 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder. Once I added all the ingredients ingredients for this recipe, I went ahead and stirred to combine all the ingredients. Now, there are a lot you don't know about natural ingredients. Most of you think that those of us using natural ingredients for our hair are local. Here, natural ingredients in hair products can gently yet effectively help to impart vitamins, minerals, oils, and botanical extracts to the scalp and hair follicles. They can also gently stimulate the growth of new hair, help hair retain its natural moisture, and enhance the overall texture and appearance of the hair. From what you can see in the video, I'm actually making use of the DIY double boiler method to infuse our oil. That doesn't mean that you cannot use other methods. Cold infusion can be used, but that would take a while. So I just left that in the water bath for just 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I left it on the surface to cool down completely before I sieved. Next, from what you can see, I transferred my oil into my applicator bottle. Make sure that the applicator bottle is free of moisture or water. Please do not be worried when you see particles in your oil, because the more they stay in the oil, the more potent the oil becomes. So that is our oil and is ready for application. Now, for the application process, you can use this oil for various things in your hair routine, your hair care routine. I mean, you can use it for your scalp massages to lubricate your scalp. You can use it as a purple. You can add it in your deep conditioners to make it even more potent. You can add this oil in your shampoo. Basically, a lot of things. Just for you to see results, you can add it in a lot of things. Don't also forget that you can use this oil for your hot oil treatment. Basically, a lot of things. This oil can pass for a lot of things. So right here, I'm using it for my scalp massages. Basically, that's exactly what I'm doing. I just use that to lubricate my scalp, and I'll go ahead and massage my scalp using my massager. Guys, since I got this massager, massaging is very exciting for me. I always look forward to massaging my scalp. Here is the secret to growing your hair fast, long, and thicker. The secret is that you should use potent oils like this to massage your scalp daily. I know this is a lot of work and very demanding, but what can you do? You have to do what you gotta do to achieve what you want. I don't know how many times I've said this on this channel, but the truth is, scalp massages with potent oils like this, they work really well. They are very effective to thickening up and growing new hair. The ulterior motive of using hair care products is to have healthy hair, not so. And when one knows organic hair products are the best, not only when it comes to hair care, but also when it comes to our planet Earth, it is time to get out of your old and daily routine and step into the world of organic hair products, owing to numerous advantages they offer. One thing I won't stop talking about on this channel is organic hair care products, and I will also not stop using them on my hair, because I've derived a lot of benefits from using organic products. I can't overemphasize the fact that organic products are the best for you. Please, before I forget, you can store this oil as long as 6 months, provided it didn't come in contact with moisture when it's being made. Please, for bald spots, thinning hair, and receding hairline, please concentrate this oil on your edges and your scalp. Make sure to give yourself a gentle massage daily for thicker hair and also for new growth. This is the hair massager that I talked about earlier. You can shop this on Amazon. if you're abroad. And if you're in Nigeria, please DM me at Fuller Hair Care so that I can make this available for you. Please, if you're not following me on Instagram, kindly go follow me. I'm going to be leaving my handles on the screen for you all. I share a lot on my Instagram page. Please go follow me there to learn more. You can also ask me your questions over there. So by removing chemicals out of your hair routine, you are not only making your hair happy, but also your body and overall health. So you see, you have nothing to lose by switching to organic hair products, because someday your hair and body will truly thank you for this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also ask me more questions in the comment section below. Please stay safe, and I'll see you shortly.